Buongiorno paesani, it's time for another Sicilian word. What's the word? Today it's two words that mean the same thing. Scanzari e arrassari. What does that mean? Arrassari means to move away from. Sometimes you'll hear Sicilians say, Dio scanzatemi. It means God forbid. So, scanzari, arrassare means to move away from. In Italian, we say allontanare. Let's put it in a sentence. So you can say in Italian, we'll do the Italian version, is allontanati di lì. In Sicilian, we'll say arrassati di drogo or scanzati di drogo. In English, you would say move away from there or get away from there. But when we say it in a sentence as a saying, we say Dio scanzatene, you say God forbid. Or in Italian, we say Dio ce ne libera. So that's a couple of ways you can use the same word in a different sense. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy my videos. We're almost at 300 subscribers. So continue watching. Please subscribe to YouTube, Italiani di Montreal e Amici. Siamo quasi a 300 iscritti. Iscrivetevi a Italiani di Montreal e Amici su YouTube. Siamo quasi a 300. Se vi piacciono i miei video, iscrivetevi e come sempre ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.